So YouTube has turned on and implemented the automatic chapters feature for your videos, but are they going to do it the way that you want to? I don't know. Let's find out together. Just hit record. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. I am Ken, your content coach, and in this video we are going to talk about YouTube's new automatic chapters feature and whether or not this is actually going to work for your videos. So YouTube recently rolled out an announcement that they are going to start adding automatic chapters. You have the option to select automatic chapters when you are doing your upload. I'll kind of walk you through that. This video here is going to be an experiment. So what I want to know is, are the chapters that YouTube adds going to line up with your content? So the way that I'm going to do this video up front is going to have no real actual value to you as far as the content in this video, but I'm going to talk about 3 different topics. The first being automatic chapters, and then I'm going to talk about some other random stuff to see if YouTube will take this video and actually split that up into 3 chapters that all make sense. So first of all, if you're into this type of content, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so that you will know when new videos come out. Make sure that you hit all notifications so that you will see everything. I appreciate that. And if you find this kind of stuff valuable, hit that thumbs up, that always helps. So automatic chapters is something that YouTube has actually been testing and working on implementing for almost a year now. I've just recently on my own channels just started seeing the option to add automatic chapters. I haven't done it before. I've done a video recently about how I think the chapters are very important. I add my own chapters. I've got a video where I talk about how to do that. I will link that right above here. I think chapters are very important. Now, I want to say right up front, I don't like the idea of giving control of any part of my creation to YouTube or anybody else. I want to really control the way that my content looks and how it turns out. But I do want to test this. We talked about this on a live stream last night, and the question came up, how well does it work? And I don't think anybody really knows. I haven't seen too much. I did some searches on YouTube trying to find some videos where people talk about it. I haven't found much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this video. I'm going to post this with no chapters. I'm going to turn on the automatic chapters feature, and then I'm going to see what happens. I want to read to you YouTube's announcement on automatic chapters first, so you can kind of see where the confusion lies. So in the announcement, YouTube says, "We are experimenting with automatically adding video chapters so creators don't have to manually add timestamps. We'll use machine learning to recognize text in order to auto-generate video chapters." That's really about all that I can find. It doesn't really say how they're going to do it. Now, I do know that once the chapters are generated, you can go in and edit those and you can tweak what they've done. So real quick, I want to show you how to do that. Basically, when you're uploading your video, when you go to YouTube and you're going through your settings, you'll see right here, automatic chapters. You click that box, and theoretically, YouTube is going to use their machine learning to add chapters for you. So we'll see what happens. So again, we're going to talk about 3 topics in this video. I'm going to come back once automatic chapters are added, if they are, because also part of the announcement says that not all videos will be eligible. So I haven't been able to find what those eligibility standards are outside of content strikes and things like that. So I don't know if chapters will even be added, but I'm going to test it out. When that happens, I'll come back and do a follow-up video and just talk about what I've learned. So let's transition into what should be a new chapter and talk about what microphone I use for my videos. Currently, right now, I am using the Shure MV7 podcast microphone. Now, I love this microphone. Some of the things that I really love about it, I love the fact that it's USB or XLR. So you can actually connect this directly to your computer with a USB cable that comes with it, or you can use an XLR cable with an audio interface to tweak the sound there. Now, if you decide to go USB with it, you still get great sound. I'm using USB right now. You can actually download an app on Shure's website that you can use to tweak settings, and it's got things like compression and a limiter. It has things like gain settings, EQ settings, so that you can set the high pass and presence boost, all kinds of good stuff right out of the box. At $250, the Shure MV7 is a great mic to have in your kit. I highly recommend it. This is what I'm using now. I've used several mics, and right now, this is what I've settled on. So next up, let's talk a little bit about lighting. This should be a new chapter. I want to see what happens here. So let's talk a little bit about lighting and the lighting that I use in my studio. So I do not have the most expensive lighting that you can find. The lighting that I use in my videos, right in front of me, I've got a ring light that I bought at Walmart for $30. Works very well. I've got it up high, kind of tilted down a little bit. I think it gives great front light. The back side, what you see behind me, I have a light that I bought on Amazon, which there'll be a link in my description if you'd like to pick this up. This is an awesome light. You can change colors, brightness, all kinds of things about it. I have this sitting right behind me, so not only does it serve as a backlighting for the wall behind me, it also kind of serves as a hair light, which is going to give you that outline around your frame, around yourself, to make you stand out in the video. The red light you see behind me is simply a Wi-Fi bulb that I bought at Walmart also for, I think I bought a 2-pack for about $15. So these are great value, cheap alternatives, cheap lighting. I will definitely add more. I've also got some softbox lights. I've got one on the wall in front of me, some sitting over here for different photo shoots and different parts of my studio here. But that's my lighting. Lighting is something that's very important. I'm actually shooting this on a Canon M50 with a kit lens in 1080. I do plan on upgrading my camera soon, but with the right lighting, you can use a kit lens with the Canon M50 and with other cameras. Make sure that you invest in good lighting, good audio, and your videos will stand out from the start. So to conclude this video, once again, this video was not really designed to teach a whole lot here. I do want to see what's going to happen with automatic chapters. I kind of set it up in a way that I have an introduction. I talk about the automatic chapters, I talked about my microphone, and I talked about lighting. So what I want to see is the machine learning that YouTube is using to create those automatic chapters, is that going to pick up on what I talked about and create those chapters in this video? So stay tuned for a follow-up. I'll wait and see when that happens, if it happens at all. I've talked to a few people that have tried automatic chapters, and so far I haven't talked to anybody that the automatic chapters actually work for them. Now YouTube is still in the process of rolling this out and getting it in place. So it could be that, it could be that their videos weren't eligible. Again, the eligibility standards are not clearly lined out. None of this is really clearly lined out yet. So thanks for being here for this video, guys. I appreciate you stopping by. If you are into this type of content, if you are a content creator, if you want to be a content creator, if you're looking for tips or tricks, ways to grow your YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe and follow along. I'm here to help you guys. If I can do anything for you, make sure you reach out. All my information is available through my website, yourcontentcoach.live. It'll be here on screen and down in the description, so find me there. Until next time, guys, I hope you have a great weekend, great week, whatever time it is you're watching this video. Go out, make some killer content, make some great content, test the automatic chapters, test some other features. And hey, if you have any tips, if you've used automatic chapters, if they've worked for you, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what your experience has been with automatic chapters. I would love to hear. This is something I'm interested in learning. Again, I think chapters are very important. They go in all my videos. I do it myself, but I do want to see what happens here. So guys, until next time, as always, I hope you guys have a great one. Just hit record, and we'll see you next time.